Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have negative number 2x to the power of negative number 3. This one we have negative number 1. Next, we need to multiply both sides by negative number 2. So we have similar for this one in here. So this one we change by u. This one with the s we change by negative number 2 du. So the integration of this one, we have negative number 2 ln of the absolute value of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.